Guys, Robert McClanahan back at it again with you guys another video. Haven't posted one in a few days. Just by myself today. Just got home from school. But I'm going to be making a really disgusting fart noise with not copyright. Yeah, so see, I had the blue one. They have green, orange. All you do is you take it out and then you press down. It'll make that at first, but then you go on like the sides, and then you press down, and it makes disgusting noise. Safety. Felt pretty good. Alright guys, if you're new to this video, please comment, subscribe. Once you subscribe, click the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. Robert McClanahan out. Just kidding. Not done with you guys yet. And then, wait. I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, sorry guys. So the next one is called Snowman Snot. It feels disgusting. It smells like a dentist's office. It smells pretty bad. But this one kinda makes a noise. So, yeah. I just want to show you guys this one too. Ew, there's a dog here. No, there's going to be more. Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to have to deal with that because just want to show you guys that. I'll be right back. Alright guys, Robert McClanahan about to sign out. Please comment and subscribe. Robert McClanahan out with the dab.